and this is my sister, Olivia. And today we'll be doing experiments with magic sand. Remember, whenever you're doing a science experiment, safety first. We got this experiment from Steve Spangler's Bucket of Science. For this experiment, we will need water and magic sand. Now it's time to follow directions! Pour the magic sand into each of the cups. The sand is dry inside the water, but now we need to see how it is when you take the dry sand inside the water, outside of it. It's perfectly dry. It isn't wet at all. The sand is coated with an oil-like substance that keeps it from absorbing water. Unlike Orbeez, which absorbs so much water, waterproof substances are hydrophobic. They're afraid of water? Yes, completely. They hate water. They're so scared of it. Look what happens when a water drop is on the sand. They aren't mixing together. The water drop stays still on the sand like a ball. Orbeez are hydrophilic. Does that mean they like water? Yes.